This is a single-head insertion of rubber shell dipped in terminal machine. It has a feature that allows you to switch between two types of housings. Look at the two-piece sample here. One end plugs into the plastic shell, one end twisted while dipped in tin. This is a 9-piece gelatin shell. Then the speed of this machine. If it's a 2-piece, it takes 9 seconds to complete a product. 9-piece takes 32 seconds. Then the switching of rubber housings for this machine is very simple. Need to change the clips and changing terminal modes. Change the terminals. Well, this machine was customized. Look at the 4 wires coming out of here. There are 5 wires coming out of there. You can switch which wire you want to strip depending on your color needs. There are 2 tin ovens here for tin dipping. This machine is paired with a pressure check. If you need CCD vision inspection is also possible. This is the touch screen. Touch screen available in Chinese and English. The system is very simple and easy to adjust. Look at this machine, it's a full servo motor. Then let's look at the back. This is an off-standard customized payoff bracket. It's for 10 reels of different colors. The speed of the payoff frame is synchronized with the speed of the machine.